Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3. So the focus for this week is curriculum for infants. So as we think back over the last couple of weeks, we've had a pretty busy few weeks in the unit, and some of you are starting to get ready for your placement, which is starting very soon, which is very exciting. So let's have a quick recap of week 1 and 2 learning focus. So we've been reading and learning about the critical elements that inform the curriculum and pedagogy for infants. So your view or image of the child and your philosophical perspectives. So these will be the basis of your teaching practice and what to teach. Sorry, I got distracted there. So thinking back to week 1, most of you have included the words. So when I was reading through everyone's posts for week 1 and your view of the child, there were some really obvious reoccurring themes and words there, like curious and for children, you believe your image of the child is where children are able to explore their world. So these words really link in nicely to this week's readings about how infants learn through exploration. So for infants to feel comfortable and confident enough to explore their world and learn through discovery, they should feel secure and safe, and which is what we were working through in week 2. So moving into this week, we're wanting to help you further in your understanding of the attachment theory, and also to encourage you to think about and make the links to the EYLF. So this will really help you prepare for your placement and as well as your assignment. So if you need a quick refresher of the EYLF, Danielle has made a great video that explains and unpacks the framework for you and how to navigate it. This can be found in her week 1 unit announcement for the teaching period. So the task for this week, which I'll go through shortly, we found in the past in early childhood prac units that some students have been unsure of what a routine is and seeing the routine as prime time for learning. So hopefully with the readings this week and this task, it will really help to clarify that for you, because I've included this quote here, which talks about the prime time for learning and talking about those routine activities which are really rich opportunities for learning. So your task is based around the arrival time video, which is a video of a scene of children arriving and how the educator supports the children during that routine. So once you've watched the video, we'd like for you to post your thoughts on how do you think the educator is supporting the children during this routine, and what could be improved, if anything, and why. So once you've done that, we'd really like for you to find another peer's posts and reply to them and give them some feedback. Do you agree with what they've said? Do you disagree with what they've said? And then justify and tell us why. We'd also like for you, when you're making your reply post, to make a link to the EYLF and attachment theory for your team member. So this activity and task, we're hoping, will be a great task. Well, it will be a great task to participate in, and also another great opportunity for you to collaborate and learn as you respond to your team members. And this will really help you prepare for your placement and planning for infants, as well as getting organised for your assignment. So we're really looking forward to reading through your responses on the discussion board, and we'll be able to work through these responses with you during the week. Have a great week, everyone.